everyone. This is the demonstration video of course registration system built using Spring Boot. This project is made for WoC 7.0. We have used Swagger UI to test the APIs, along with it PostgreSQL for the database. To start with, you have to first log in as admin, clicking it on Login API, clicking it on Try It Out, then adding the admin credentials. Done. Now we have to copy this JWT token and authorize it. Now admin can perform all its tasks. First, let's add professor. Professor has been added successfully. Now we will add another professor. Another professor added. Now let's see if the changes has been reflected on database or not. Now it's done. After adding professor, we will be adding semester. Semester added successfully. After adding semester, now we have to add course. For professor ID, we have to check the database. It's 31 and 32. Also for semester ID, we will be checking database. It's 11. Course added successfully. Now we will be adding 5 more courses. After adding all the courses, let's check the database. All the courses in the database has been added. Now we have to add student. Student access added successfully. Now we will add few more students. After adding all the students, now let's check the database. All the students have been added successfully. Now admin will send the mail notifications to the students to register for the course. Email notification sent successfully. Let's check if the students got the mail. And here all the students gets the mail. Now we will log in as student to demonstrate the APIs which student can perform. Copying the JWT token and authorizing it. Now let's check the student APIs. First of all, let's do get course list. Here we can see all the courses in which student can register. After checking the courses, student will submit the course form. Now student has to add the course IDs in priority manner. Let's say 21, 22, 23, 26 and 25. Student ID 28. Executing it. Course request form submitted successfully. Now each student has to do the same. Also, student can update his or her details. Instead of Chinmay Kivlani, we are keeping Chinmay here. Student updated successfully. Let's see it in the database. Done. The name has been updated. Student can see his or her details through this API. Let's try it out. This API is also working fine. Now, after 24 hours, which is the deadline set for this project, admin will assign course to the students on first come first serve basis, after which admin will send mail notifications to the students. Let's try it out. Email has been sent successfully. We can see that every student gets the mail of the allocated courses. After this, now let's check all the APIs of the professor. First of all, we have to log in as professor. Copying this JWT token, authorizing it. First of all, let's try to update the professor. We have to add the ID, which is 31. Authorization. Let's try to update the email. Instead of johnsmith@gmail.com, we will be doing johnsmith01@gmail.com. Updated successfully. Now let's check the database. Done. This is updated successfully. Using this API, we can get all the details of the course which the professor is taking. Let's check it out. We can see all the courses. Next come the professor details. We can see all the details of the professor. Now, at last, we will check the delete APIs. Let's try to delete student. Let's try to delete number 29. Executing it. And the student has been deleted successfully. Let's check the database. And the student with the ID 29 has been deleted. That's all for this project. Thank you very much.